I'm Jennifer Kitson, and I'm truly grateful to receive this FHSU Alumni Achievement Award. Completing 3 FHSU degrees, Bachelor of Science and Master of Science in Psychology and Education Specialist in School Psychology, led to a lifetime of professional work and volunteer leadership opportunities. My achievements were only realized with collaboration, support, and encouragement from colleagues, volunteer leaders, and my family. I was certain by high school that I wanted to be a third-generation female college completer and to pursue a profession in psychology, planning that I would need to obtain an advanced degree beyond bachelor's. I considered several universities. My choice was FHSU to major in psychology, a fortunate decision. FHSU provided the foundation to excel and achieve recognition professionally and in volunteer leadership. Many colleagues across the country in professional work and volunteer leadership had previously been unfamiliar with a Kansas university called FHSU. Now they are informed. Fostering connection to students and advisees, my undergraduate professors provided opportunities to become engaged and motivated to learn and excel. Actively involved in student organizations, I valued leadership growth opportunities in Psych High, student government, mortarboard, Tri Sigma sorority, and Panhellenic. As I applied to graduate programs, Dr. Jim Ryabeck, an exceptional professor and mentor, convinced me that the new field of school psychology would fit well with my strengths and interests, and I could complete the graduate program at Fort Hays State, necessary to practice school psychology in Kansas. I completed graduate coursework, research, and served as a teaching assistant and graduate assistant at Kelly Center. My course experience at FHSU prepared me to apply scientific psychology research to practice, commit to professional growth opportunities for lifelong learning as science advances, and recognize that ethics and collaboration with colleagues are essential to improving child outcomes and successful contributions to the field. My professional and volunteer responsibilities at local, state, and national levels focused on advocacy to address evidence-based practices and system change, supporting child educational, social, emotional, and mental behavioral health outcomes, and to expand school psychology services. As a problem solver, I learned that obstacles and challenges can be catalysts for creating system-level change. Experience in professional career change included 23 years as school psychologist for the Hays Special Education Cooperative, with the final 3 years co-author, coordinator of a $3 million Safe Schools Healthy Students federal grant for Ellis County Schools in partnership with High Plains Mental Health and law enforcement. Then 11 years co-leading a federally funded national center providing training and assistance to communities across the U.S. focused on achieving positive outcomes for child safety and social, emotional, behavioral, and mental health. Then 8 years at FHSU, psychology department instructor and school psychology interim program director as the online option was growing. And finally, retirement. I appreciated opportunities to contribute to system change, offering policy planning expertise to 3 federal agencies, ED, SAMHSA, HRSA, addressing rural mental behavioral health for children, co-leading SAMHSA's 2012 State Policy Academy on preventing mental and substance abuse disorders in children and youth to develop tools and facilitate strategic planning with 8 states' agency teams, serving on a Federal Interagency Rural Behavioral Health Technical Assistance Work Group collaboration of TA centers assisting rural communities across the country to support child and family mental health and behavioral health, and as an expert in development of toolkits for school district leaders and state education and mental health agencies using federal COVID funding to support student well-being. Volunteer leadership at local, state, and national levels included helping establish Big Brothers Big Sisters in Ellis County, co-coordinating parenting classes and a parent resource library in Ellis County with Parents and Children Together, partially funded by United Way, and serving in numerous elected and appointed positions with both the Kansas and National Associations of School Psychologists professional organizations. I especially want to thank my husband Kurt and our sons Kyle and Tyler and their wives Hillary and Lena for supporting and encouraging me, perhaps at times tolerating me, as I completed my work and volunteer activities. And I want to recognize and thank each of my professors, colleagues, and volunteer leaders for their collaboration, mentorship, and support, particularly Leslie Page, as they each contributed to what I have been able to achieve.